All right, so we're nearly there. We just we have the like a wa row as well as the row. So it's just a few, and sometimes we seldom use it, especially like the os katakana. We seldom use it in the today's Japanese, and is more like changing to a little bit nasal sound. Okay, so seldom used. Wa, yeah, we use that, say watashi. Yeah, or at the end of sentence we use wa, but it's not a big deal. It's pretty simple. So I will just using one video to explain all of it. So let's talk about the wa row. So wa, something like this, okay, and wa and wo, okay. Wo is not technically called wo. It's more like o, like 鉛筆を買う like 何々を何々. It's a kind of like a Japanese grammar. Right now, you just need to know if you like apply some of the forces onto something. Okay, like I'm going to like draw or write or whatever something. You can use all. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so wa like watashi. Okay, wa. That's the one for you. Okay, watashi. It's not technically watashi, but rather watashi. It's watashi wa, not watashi wa. Yeah, we can use that interchangeably. If you like speak that pretty quickly, you don't need to speak ta pretty loudly. Okay, it's not like watashi wa. That's a pretty weird. Watashi wa. That's like a you can like get away with that just a little bit da, so you can speak a little bit quicker. Okay, just you know, any language is for communication. You can just get around with a lot of things as long as the other side can understand it. And the more things that you omit and speaking quickly, more like the closer that you will get to the native level. Okay, so it's watashi. Watashi just literally means me. Okay, watashi. I, me, that's watashi. Watashi wa nani nani desu. It's like a 自己紹介. It's like introduction for yourself. Okay, watashi wa. Okay, and let's talk about the katakana version. Okay, think. Okay, this one. Wa. For example, wine. I don't like wine. Like many years I drank beer, but I quit drinking like gold teetotal many years ago, like nearly 5 years or so, because I think I work out a lot and try to like a semi-professional bodybuilding, but later I can't do that because of the age, but yeah, but at that time I quit drinking. I'm not like a beer person. I love to, after like a hard day of work and drink a little bit of beer, but because I need to like a perfect building body for me to build, and I'm like a professionalist, and so um, I would like trying to achieve anything to the perfect. So I just quit drinking. Of course, if you're like a great lover of alcohol, okay, that's fine. I love the feeling of it, and that's the thing we're going to talk about wine. So, wa, i, wine. Okay, literally that's wa, i, wine, and it's called wine, and it's represent wine. So it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's just a wine. Okay, and the or, as I said, is just a indicate that you're going to do something and to something. Okay, so for example, en pitsu is just a pencil. Okay, en pitsu o, like ka u, so it's a ka, and then kaku, Okay, so just write using the pencil. Okay, 鉛筆を書く. So write with a pencil. Okay, so you're writing and you use this movements by using this. Okay, so you add an or here to indicate the movements got a subject. Okay, to write. Okay, so you want to like achieve this movement of writing, and you apply this on鉛筆, on this pencil, if you will. Okay, so yeah, this is just an or here. So this is more like a grammarly functionality rather than some like a functional words or like a substance using this or. And you know what? Rarely used or's katakana today. So normally you wouldn't be able to like see that. It's something like this. So we don't use it. But it's good to know. So I will just not give you any example because we rarely use. Okay. And what about okay? Pretty simple. I think you already see that multiple times. The katakana version of n will be something like this. Okay, just adding a sound. Elongate a little bit, adding a little bit n sound, a little bit nasal sound. That's all it means. So the n row just the Okay, so for example, we can say ongaku, like music. So literally means the sound, and kaku, like laku, so like make you happy. Okay, and by the way, music also make you happy. That's one way to memorize it. So ongaku. So instead of just ogaku, this on. Okay, so o and then get it down. So gaku. Okay, so that's how you apply this ongaku to the ongaku. And this let me just give you. I think we already encountered multiple times of this in the katakana version. Let's add a little bit more. So for example, you go to Japan and you want to go to the restaurant. So in Japanese, we call that restaurant. So that literally means the restaurant. Yeah, pretty simple one. Yeah, that's just a restaurant for you. Restaurant. So it's kind of just not curving because restaurant starts with R. The restaurant is that not curving your tongue way of saying restaurant. So yeah, that's enroll for you. Ooh, holy moly, that's a full set of gojuons. And we already achieved a lot. And if you're already there, congratulations, you are full to explore the world of Japanese. All the pronunciation here, all this like quirky P sound, the two dots, ga sound, it's like a ka become ga, all that. You already experienced that, okay? And yeah, so that's like a basic alphabet of Japanese, and you can dive deeper into like just to first get yourself familiar with, and one time, if you already start from beginning to here, is a great achievement. It's a great achievement, but that's definitely not enough. You need to like constantly repeat, and my suggestion is that first you can repeat here, but also you can like watch more anime, but use that learning experience actively. It's not just to like watch that for fun and listen to the dub of subtitles, but rather to actively learn and type it out. That's really important, to actually type it out, so you got this like active engagement experience. And yeah, Japanese is fun experience, and yeah, happy learning.